Award of mementos to PF core teams. During Markai-Haq, Operations Branch, led by Air Vice Marshal Aurangzeb Ahmed, ensured synchronized employment of air power across the battle space through meticulous mission planning and force allocation to achieve unified combat effects while preserving strategic flexibility and escalation dominance. PF's integrated air defense under the command of Air Officer Commanding Air Defense Command ensured enemy threats were detected, tracked, and neutralized in time as a unified architecture. It also enabled pinpoint standoff strikes against enemy assets using long-range vectors. Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Defense Team. PF's electronic warfare force orchestrated a spectrum-dominant battle space by deploying sophisticated electronic attack and protection measures, effectively degrading sensors, radars, and communication grids of the enemy. Ladies and gentlemen, the team of EW Force. Headed by Air Commodore Ataullah Zeb, PF cyber warriors had put in place a robust defensive cyber shield before the battle raged on our eastern border. Its synchronized campaign disrupted the adversary power sector, transportation, energy supply chain, and info infrastructure across critical networks, whereas PF's unmanned systems, killer drones, and loitering munitions changed the rules of engagement as they penetrated deep into enemy's territory. PF Space Force, though new in the field, enabled surveillance across the breadth and width of the adversary with real-time imagery. It proved as a force multiplier, tracking enemy deployments and ensuring no threat could hide from its piercing eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, the Space Force. Being the linchpin of multi-domain operations of PAF, EW, Space, Cyber, and Unmanned Systems teams were directly guided by Chief of the Air Staff himself, which accrued desired strategic effects during Markai-Haq. Besides these, Air Intelligence Team, led by then Director General AI, Air Marshal Muhammad Ehsanul Haq, created architecture for a coherent and accurate operational picture, ensuring information dominance by degrading the adversary's situational awareness. Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Intelligence Team.
अब मार्काए हक में सितारे जुरत हासिल करने वाले शेर दिल शाहीनों को सरबरा पाक फिजाइया एजाजात से नवाजेंगे.
Wing Commander Bilal Raza, Star Jurat. Wing Commander Hamad Ibn Masood, Star Jurat. Squadron Leader Muhammad Yusuf Khan, Star Jurat. Squadron Leader Muhammad Usama Ishfaq, Star Jurat. Squadron Leader Muhammad Hassan Anis, Star Jurat. स्क्वाड लीडर तलाल हसन सितारा जुर्रत, स्क्वाड लीडर फिदा मोहम्मद खान सितारा जुर्रत, स्क्वाड लीडर मोहम्मद अशद आमिर सितारा जुर्रत,